Hello students, today we are going to see that how to insert the chart in a mobile phone. Yes, how to insert a chart. I have first of all made one video in which I have shown you that how to create a table in your Android phone with your mobile phone with Microsoft Office. Now we are going to see with WPS. So let us start. I will show you the whole tutorial that how you can start it. Okay, so WPS, yes, you will install it. After installing, you will get this type of interface in which there is a plus sign. Yes, by clicking on the plus sign, you will get it over here, many of the options. From that, you have to click on presentation. As you will click on presentation, yes, you will get many of the templates over here which are very nice, which you, will be very much helpful. You can go for more over there, but yes, you have to keep it in mind that your internet is on over that time. Okay, so that is about it. Now we will go with a blank presentation. Yes, you can keep it your internet off also, but when you want to go with the template, yes, you can see here, right? So this type of interface is there. Now I want to change the layout. Yes, I can go for the layout. You can go with the design. In that we have the option of layout. So I want to go with a title slide or maybe a blank slide. I will just go with a blank slide. And in that I will insert a text box. And then I'll write how to create a presentation in mobile phone. I've done. Now I want to increase the size of the font. Yes, I can increase the size. Just I will click and I will select it. After selection, you can get it over here. Increase the font size. You can give the bold effect. You can go with the color, right? A background color. You can change the point of the borders. You can see here that I am changing the border over here, right? After that, we have over here you can see here the borders, right? So this way we can do it. Okay, now the next thing that we will see over here, that is how to insert a picture. So let us go for the new slide. You will see a plus sign in which plus slide. I will go with a new in which we will insert the picture. Yes, you can go with the title also, right? In that I will write how to insert a picture. Okay, then now how I will insert, I will just click on picture and I have some photos. From that I can select any of the photos and yes, it will be done. Okay, so here I am inserting the picture. Okay, so you can see that I have inserted the picture. Okay, so this is about it. You want to delete? Yes, you can delete it also. You can insert a new picture over there. Selected, click on OK and it is done. Okay, so this is about the picture, right? In that, next you want to set the background as a background. Then you can set the set as a background also your picture. Okay, for the slide, like just I'm clicking set as a background, done. So it is now set as a background. Now you cannot move it. Okay, so you can click on undo, so it will come back as a picture. Okay, next now we are having the option. Now what we can do, now we can go for the next. We will go for the new slide and here we will see title and content, 2 columns. Okay, and how to create the table, that also we will see over here. So let us start. Here I'll just remove this part and I will write how to insert a table. Okay, as I've written, now you can see the steps over here. I'll just click over here so you can see the menus. Click on insert. You will see here many of the options. From that we will click on table. There will be many of the layouts over here. In that you are having a very easy way that you can select your own columns by just going up and down. Yes, you can see that now it is having 3 rows, and now I want to go for the columns. You can see that it is changing. Even you can select different color templates from here. I want to go with the simple. Just click on OK and it is done. Okay, next after that, yes, you can do the editing. You can clear the content. You can add more things over here. You can see at the last, at the bottom, insert row, insert column, delete row, delete columns, and also the table properties. You can see it, right? So whatever the changes you want to do, you can do in the table. So yes, I have shown you how to insert the table. Even you can change the templates. You can select the templates. From there you can change the design of it. Okay, now we will go for the next. We will go for the new slide, in which we are going to see now that how to insert the shapes. So I'll just click on title, how to insert a shape. Okay, so let us start now. In that we will go with this option. You can see here the shapes, right? You can select, many of the styles are given over here. You can insert any of it, and you can also do the grouping of it. Here you can see many options are there. Okay, so different styles are given. Here you can see different styles means different colors are given. I'll just select any one. I can increase the size. Okay, and then yes, I can go for any other option also, like I can insert another one. You can see here. Okay, so this is the way we can do. Now as you have selected, you can see in the shape, here the shape tab will be open, in which you can change the color. You can change the color of the border. You can change the width. Here you can see I'm increasing the size of it. Okay, now where you wanted that object, means this object which I have selected, I want at the back or I want it at the forward. Okay, so see, just I have clicked on forward, so now the circle is at the back. Again I have clicked on the backward, so it is going at the back. Okay, so this way you can do it for the shapes. Yes, now the next we are going to see different styles are given, right? You can see different styles are given. Even you can insert the text over here. So let us start. You can see here add text. You can see forward, top, backward, and here I am going to add the text. Okay, right? Then we can increase the size. The same process is there like in the text box we are doing. We can select it, we can increase the size, we can give it bold effect. Okay, we can change the alignment. Okay, so this way yes, you can do the changes. Now the next and the main important part, that is how to insert a chart. Okay, so yes, we will go for the new slide. I'll just go with the blank slide. In that you will see here again the option. In that I will go with insert option. I'm already with that, so click on chart. As you will click on chart, it will ask you that which type of chart you wanted. So I just wanted the area chart, or I want to go with the scattered chart. I will go with the column chart. Now in column chart also they have given different type of color variations which you can select it. Yes, you can do of your own also, but yes, here many different styles they are given. Inbuilt styles are there, so that you can select it and click on OK. Now yes, you can see over here that the series 1, series 2, series 3 it is written, so you can edit the data. So like I will edit the data. Instead of 5, I will just, you can see here in the T where it is written tab, it is written, you can see I am changing it and the change is applied. You have to just click on that area, that cell, okay, and it will be done. Okay, now I want to just remove this part. So what I can do, I can select it and I can delete that part. I'll select the area, sorry, I'm just selecting, and you can delete. Means you can just press this clear option and it will be cleared. Okay, now if you want to change the name of the category also, like here I want March, here I want April. So for the product I want to do, so I can do for the product also. Like this is my product mouse, this is for keyboard, this is for monitor. Okay, so this way, yes, you can complete it. Now you will click on OK. So you can see here there is a change. Yes, you can see the change over here, right? Now we are having the option of switch row and column. You will just click on switch row or column, so it will be switched. So you can see the changes that March and April is there in the last, and here you will see mouse, keyboard and monitor. Okay, so this way, yes, you can do the changes. And now the transition. Yes, how to apply the transitions, that we will see. So here we are having many of the slides, right? You will go to this part at the first, click on insert, and in that you can select any of the options. You can see here many options are there which you are using in your presentations, right? I want to apply for the clock. If I want to apply for all, then I have the option of apply to all the slides. Okay, then we have many options. You can see here that many options are coming over here, right? It depends on you that how you want it in different slides. Okay, then even you want to change the design, you want to insert a picture background, yes, you can do it. You can change the color of the background. You can see that it will be applied to all the slides if you will click on apply to all the slides. Okay, so this is about it. I'll just click on apply to all the slides, so you can see over here in all the slides it has been applied. Okay, hope you all have understand. And then when you want to play this thing, yes, you want to see that how it is, so auto play. So it will play, looping will be done over there. Okay, when you will press escape or you will come back to your open place, you can do it. Even you can do the recording of this, So here, yes, you can click on recording. So it will start the recording with the audio. If I want it, I am already with this, so I will not give the recording. Okay, so this is about it. Okay, so hope you all have understand. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.